Easter means different things to different people. If for you Easter is a religious observance, may the memory of the crucifixion and the resurrection continue to guide and anchor you as you navigate the complex and ever-evolving world in which we live. The death of Christ served to pay forward the penalty for our transgressions and served as a reminder to recommit and serve humanity in our thoughts and actions. On behalf of the board, management and staff of the PBCJ, I wish for you and your families an Easter that is peaceful, restful, joyful and safe. May this be a period that facilitates reflection, introspection, and one that will lead to rejuvenation and resolve. While you are enjoying your abundant cheese and your fish, we ask that you spare a thought and execute action to helping the less fortunate among us. Remember, at Easter and throughout the year, we are our brothers and sisters keepers.